Hey, what's up guys? This is the Average Drummer, and the power's out. I've decided I'm gonna film a cooking time because I have to grill food because our stove is electric, microwave's electric, the oven's electric. That's all I have. Grill runs on gas, got propane. I can cook with that. We're going to cook something I haven't cooked on here yet before. You guys know how much I love to grill. I have decided that out of the freezer, we're going to grill some salmon fillets on a cedar plank. That's gonna be the fun part. Salmon fillets on a cedar plank. Remembered that I had one of those, so that is currently soaking in water. Cedar plank always has to soak in water. I will also be doing some vegetables, which consists of broccoli, green pepper, and onion, because that's also what I had in the refrigerator, and a bunch of little tiny potatoes. I don't know where I got them from. I think I got them from Costco. I don't remember why though, but I have a bunch of little tiny potatoes. So, I'm gonna cook those too. All of this is gonna be on the grill because it's my only source of cooking at the moment. We're gonna begin. So it's really dark. My sources of light consist of a candle and a flashlight. That's the only reason you can see me at all right now. If it's very grainy, I'm sorry. It's dark outside, but over here, if you can see it, I have salmon fillets thawing in the water, and the cedar plank is currently soaking in the water. That's what you need to do. Soak it at least 30 minutes, preferably a couple of hours. Mine's been in here for about an hour, so by the time I cook the salmon, it'll have been in here for probably an hour and a half, 2 hours. We're gonna head outside and see if my grill starts up. Confession, I haven't used my grill in like 6 months or more. This is gonna be the first time I've used it since moving into this new house. So this will also be a chance for us to see if the grill actually works still. If it does, awesome. If not, not awesome. Make sure my gas is on. Okay. Okay, so my gas has been on this whole time. I moved it with the gas on. Cool. That's great. Okay, line is nice and tight. Move, buddy. Zero's still trying to help. Hi, Zero. Zero, here. Hi. Hi. Oh God, demon dog. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna light her and see what happens. Boom. First try. Boom. Lights like a charm. We're gonna let her burn off all of the junk and crap that is inside. Like there's bugs and junk all up in there. Like I can hear bugs cracking and popping down in there. We're gonna let you do you, grill, you do you, and just burn away all of the gross that is inside. I hear it. I hear the gross. So we're just gonna let it go. In the meantime, we're gonna go back inside and prep our food. Hey, the power came back on. Look at this. Look, it's light now. Look, you can see me. Look, there's lights. Hey, hi. So now, I don't need to use candles to see anymore, and it's getting dark outside, which means that it's gonna be way easier to cook now. So, we're gonna prep our vegetables really quick. So I have an onion. This is a half of an onion, because this is what I had left in the fridge. I have a green pepper. This is a green bell pepper. It's very fancy. And then I have this Tuscan seasoned broccoli. Yes, it's very fancy. Okay, so I'm gonna cut up this. This is still going. We're gonna get to this. Probably not gonna show a bunch of like the cutting vegetables because it's just, I'm cutting food. Woo! Okay, so vegetables are prepped. They are in a pan. They are these right here. Okay, see? I have seasoned them with a little bit of salty, and a little bit of pepper, and they're ready to go. So I'm gonna put those on the grill in that cast iron pan because it's cool. It's a thing you can do. If you didn't know that, you can put cast iron on the grill, it's fine. So I'm just gonna throw the whole thing in the grill, and then when they're about halfway cooked, I'll get ready to throw the fish on, because fish, especially salmon, does not take very long to cook on the grill. On a cedar plank, it might take a little bit longer because you turn the heat way down so the cedar plank doesn't go on fire, but you know, it's a whole different story. Anyway, we're gonna put it on the grill. Let's go. So here we go, out to the grill. Oh God, I gotta get the thing. But here we go. This is going right here. It's just gonna sit right there on the grill, as is. Okay everybody, it's been a couple of minutes. I am going to go outside and I am going to see what is becoming of our Vegetables. That's the word I'm looking for. Vegetables. I gotta find my grilling utensils. I don't know where they are. See, since we moved, I haven't used my grill, and I don't know where my grilling utensils are. I'm gonna dig around for a minute. Well, I can't find them. I'll just use this one. This one's fine. And these. Tongs are a griller's favorite tool. It smells good. So, here is what we've got so far. Here we go. We're gonna do a little mixy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's starting to cook down real good. So I'm gonna head back inside really quick. Get my hand out of the shot here. Head back inside really quick. Grab the cedar plank. Open up my salmon fillets. And get ready to put those on the grill, because this is moving along quite nicely. So you guys are probably standing here wondering, Ben, what are you gonna do with those potatoes you said you were gonna cook earlier in the video? Yeah, I forgot about them. So I'm gonna cook them right now. What I'm gonna do is something really easy. I'm gonna cut them in half, and I'm gonna put them on another cast iron pan that I have. It's just a flat pan. There's like a little bit of a ridge to it.
I'll show you that once I get them cut, but I gotta go. Don't really have time to film it, because otherwise they're not gonna cook fast enough to get all the other things.
Okay, so here's the potatoes all ready to go outside. They have been covered in olive oil and then salt and peppered with dill weed on top. So we're gonna go put this on the grill. Hopefully these cook as fast as I want them to. I'm gonna stick that cedar plank right in the middle there. But we're doing good. We're doing good so far. We're okay. Okay guys, so I have the salmon fillets ready right here, as you can see. Took them out of their package. They're thawed, they're good. They're pre-seasoned. So I'm going to take my cedar plank right here, right there. See, it's a cedar plank. It's been soaking in the water for about 2 hours. You want it to soak for at least an hour to 2 hours. I'm gonna go throw it on the grill for a minute, let it heat up a little bit, and then throw my salmon on the grill. Okay guys, so I have my salmon fillets right here. I'm gonna throw them on the grill. I have my cedar plank on the grill right there. All you're going to do is take these, put them on this, skin down, and just let them cook. You don't have to flip them, you don't have to do anything. Put this on this, skin down, and just let it cook for about 10-ish to 12-ish minutes at 350 degrees. Get your grill about that temperature. Everything else seems to be cooking quite nicely. I'm gonna come stir these things and see how they're doing, and I'll come back. Okay, so I know I didn't show you very much of the cooking process, but things are done. It looks perfection. I'm gonna show you. All right? But don't be jelly. Okay, don't be jelly. Here we go. Man, that looks good. Guys, I'm not gonna taste it this time because I have determined in this very moment right now that me eating food on camera looks really weird. If you missed that section, tell me, I guess I'll eat on camera again if you really like seeing me eat. But I think it's weird, so I'm not gonna eat on camera anymore. Just believe me when I say it tastes great. I know it does. Tastes great. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's probably not as in-depth and complicated and weird as some of my other videos, but I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that little thumbs up button because it makes me feel good inside. Also, if you're not, hit that subscribe button because it lets me know that you want to keep watching. Also, if you subscribe, hit the little bell icon because it tells you when I upload videos and you can watch them first and then brag to all your friends. Leave a comment also because yeah, comments are cool. Tell me what you want to see me cook. Anyway guys, thank you and I'll see you next time. Bye.